How to conduct a course diversity audit. In this video, we will examine 3 tips for conducting a diversity audit of your course. This video builds on the tutorial on the importance of cultural competency. If you are teaching the same course with various sections, keeping up with content can be difficult. Within Canvas, it is important to ensure that all links, images, and documents are accessible. The Validate links in the content feature in Canvas will save you time and help you readily identify any items that should be removed or updated. To access this feature, navigate to the Settings page on the left navigation of your course. Select Validate Links in Content. Any links or images that cannot be accessed will be listed. The accessibility of images and links is important because of the impact on student persistence and retention. When students cannot access course content, it can serve as a barrier to academic performance. The second tip is to review the course to ensure the multimedia images, videos, and textbook represent various voices. Websites such as Unsplash, Pixabay, Pexels, and WSSU's SmugMug account provide high-definition, royalty-free images that can supplement the text. To appeal to various learning styles, incorporating visual elements can greatly enhance the aesthetics of a course. It also helps with accessibility by providing alt text for each image. Night and All describe visual culture as to how people see and interpret images and movies. Therefore, using images and symbols appropriately can positively impact the student experience. The third tip is to review your bibliography or reference lists, textbook listing, and videos. By inviting different voices to the course, websites such as World Digital Library, Merlot, and OER Commons can help instructors find valuable information that exists beyond their discipline. Each website has tutorials, documents, course documents, and supplemental information that can be useful to help students think critically and globally about various course topics and the intersection with real-world events. In this video, we have examined 3 tips for auditing your course to ensure diverse practices. First, validate the links in your course by checking for unreachable links and images. Second, review the course to ensure the multimedia images, videos, and textbooks represent various voices. Finally, invite different voices to your course by using resources outside of your discipline. By making intentional changes, you can create an inclusive learning environment for all students. Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.